In this session, we will learn how to make your chart dynamic. That is, when new data point comes, it will get automatically plotted on chart. By default, Excel charts are not dynamic. What I means by this: let's say you are plotting daily share price data of a stock. Every day a new closing share price comes, but by default it will not appear on the chart. Like on 9th Jan, in our case, stock price comes as $110, and it will not reflect on the chart on its own. So how to update the chart automatically as soon as new data point comes? Just one click is required. Yes, you have heard correct, only one click. No changes required in the chart. But before that click, make sure all the data is plotted on chart, and in our case data till 8th Jan is plotted, so delete the 9th Jan data for now. Click anywhere inside the data and press keyboard shortcut Ctrl+T. Ctrl+T is shortcut key to create Excel table, and it will open Excel table dialog box. And our data has headings, so it will automatically check box of my table has headers. Just click on OK and done. If you don't want to use shortcut, the Excel table can be created by going to Insert tab and in Tables group, click on Table. And now our chart is dynamic. As soon as new data arrives, it will get reflected on the chart immediately and automatically. We will learn more on Advanced Excel. See you in my next video.